Hey guys, it's Reed with Putco, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your new Luminix Ford LED emblem on your Ford Explorer. Start by gathering the tools listed on the screen, and then we will begin. Start by opening the hood of your vehicle to expose the 4 bolts at the top of the grille assembly. Use a 10mm socket to remove them. Now move to the bottom of the bumper. There will be 9 7mm bolts at the bottom. Use a 7mm socket to remove all 9. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, use the same 7mm socket to remove the 4 fender trim bolts located on the fender lining. Now use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 3 trim clips holding the fender liner to the vehicle. There will be 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top. Gently pull the fender trim away from the vehicle to undo the 4 fender trim clips up until the front grille assembly seam. Now use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts at the front grille assembly seam. Then squeeze the clip in between the 2 bolts and push it through the opening. Now move back to the top of the grille assembly and lift and pull the bumper to release the 2 clips on top. At this point, the bumper is loose. Gently lift it off the vehicle and set it on the ground in front. Now, disconnect the 1-pin camera harness and both 12-pin harnesses on each side of the front grille assembly. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 nuts on the backside of the OE Ford emblem. Now, remove the OE Ford logo from the grille assembly. Using a 1-inch hole saw, drill a hole through the backside of the grille assembly as shown. Be sure to deburr any sharp edges left over from drilling. Screw the provided studs into the Putco emblem by hand with the short side of the threads threading into the emblem. Now feed the connector on the back of the Putco emblem through the 1-inch hole and fasten the 2 nuts to the studs using an 8mm deep socket. Be sure not to over-tighten the nuts as to avoid damaging the Putco emblem or grille assembly. Pull the red tab and disconnect the 12-pin connector from the back of the driver's side headlamp. Grab your Putco Quick Connect harness and connect the female end to the male end that was disconnected in the previous step. Pull the red tab on the other end of the Putco Quick Connect harness and plug it into the back of the driver's side headlamp. Be sure to re-engage the red tab after it is connected to the driver's side headlamp. Reconnect the 3 OE connectors previously disconnected in step 8. Lift the front grille assembly, but do not fully install back onto the vehicle. If you have a friend, this would be a good time for them to help you. Feed the connector on the back of the Putco emblem harness through the bolt access hole on the driver's side hood latch. Now align the grille assembly with the vehicle and re-clip the top and side clips. Once the grille assembly is clipped back onto the vehicle, connect the 2-pin from the back of the emblem to the mating connector on the Putco Quick Connect harness. Now pull all excess cable into the engine bay and zip tie to secure. Be sure to cut any loose zip tie ends flush with side cutters. Now reinstall the grille assembly to the vehicle by reinstalling the clips and fasteners in the opposite order of their removal. Congratulations on completing your install. Enjoy your new Putco product. For additional assistance, feel free to contact us at 1-800-247-3974 or support@putco.com.